In this video guide, we're going to show you how to unbox a pair of Platinum 100 3G loudspeakers. The Platinum 100 3G is a compact two-way speaker that offers a compelling listening experience from a relatively small cabinet. Once you've removed the transit straps, open the box. Inside, you'll find a board with quick links to register your product, a toolbox, product documents, foam bungs and rubber feet. Pin the box down with your foot, then lift the cradle out of the box. Remove the speakers from the foam. Then turn them upside down. Peel the sticker, then open the protective bag. Turn the speaker right side up and remove the protective bag. Inside the toolbox, you'll find a cleaning cloth, hex key and Torx tool. Now wire them up, sit back and enjoy your Platinum 100 3G speakers.